Hi guys, how are you? I didn't really upload video this week because we're working here in our small garden. This is the spinach that come up again after I planted this last fall. So I harvest last fall winter time, and now it's coming up again. I'm done harvesting spinach. Okay, look at that. Harvest this one little bucket of spinach. Not really full, but there's still more in here. One little basin. Okay, it's not done yet, this area. Yeah, but this trellis of our vines is done, and I plant onions and garlics and they're popping out. And also look, that's the garlic, one stage of garlic, and this is pichay and lettuce, and 3 rows of spinach, and there's still more rows here too. And this one is, it's really cold a little bit, so this is broccoli, and that's say bye bye for right now. Thank you. And Brussels sprout, and then I plant carrots in there, and here I plant 1 row of potato, and this is onion, and this area here in the middle of onion, between onion and both lines, is garlic in the middle. So look, they're popping out right now. So that's all for right now, but pretty soon I will gonna show it to you more if the weather gets warmer. Wow. The snow is really hard, snowing very hard.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what happened now, because we put straw in here to protect our garden, because they're calling for freeze this starting tonight until the morning. And this one, it's cold burn, look, so we need to protect it a little bit, if not much, but at least there's something. Thank you for checking my vlog. I didn't upload video for the past few days or this week because it's a little bit busy here. It's spring and time na naman mag plant ng mga seeds, but I'm done planting seeds, and right now I'm going to harvest spinach. I found out that spinach is one of the vegetables that is cold hardy. Nakaagi na siya mga frost -26, pero siya namatay, hingbalik ra gyapon siya. Mao ni ron ako ipakita ninyo. This is the spinach that come up again after I planted this last fall, and then I'm gonna harvest again. I already harvest one time, and then now I'm gonna harvest again. And that's how much I harvest. That one, and then that's other side, but this one is It's for me too good, so there. Okay, that's all for right now. Check our channel, our more videos to come. If you like our videos, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you like our videos. Thank you. Bye bye.